You ever feel like no matter how much you eat, you still look like a walking pencil? Yeah, that was me. Skinny arms, flat chest, and a metabolism that burned food faster than I could chew it. I tried everything except eating the right stuff until I found these five foods that changed the game for me. Food one, peanut butter. First love, not a person. It was peanut butter. Bro, one spoon, boom, 100 calories. I started eating it like it was pre workout. On toast, in my shake, straight from the jar. It made bulking way easier and tastier. Food two, rice. Then came rice. Cheap, filling, no drama. I made friends with white rice, brown rice, fried rice, you name it. It gave me energy and made my plate look full, even if my muscles weren't. Yet. Food three, whole milk. Now let's talk whole milk. I used to drink water after workouts. Rookie mistake. One day I switched to milk, and boom, calories, protein, fat, all in one glass. Sure, my stomach cried sometimes, but my biceps were happy. Food four, bananas, lifesaver. I kept one in my bag like it was gold. Pre-workout snack, post-workout recovery, always came through. Add some peanut butter on it and brew, chef's kiss. Also helped me look less awkward when others had protein bars. Food five, eggs or red meat. Last up, eggs and red meat, protein packed, muscle friendly. I started making eggs every morning like it was a ritual. Red meat? That was my weekend treat. Felt like a beast after eating steak, even if I cooked it like a brick. So yeah, those five foods, they helped me go from toothpick with shoes to someone who could actually fill out a t-shirt. If you're trying to gain muscle and stop disappearing in photos, start here. Eat smart, eat enough, and don't forget, peanut butter is basically a gym bro's best friend.